Our manufacturing environment, we're primarily make to stock. We don't have any make to order going on in any of the plants, SAP or WISE. We do have a small amount of project-based manufacturing, primarily for things like new product introductions or where we've got funded development from a customer. We started out just evaluating what we needed to do to be compliant with the new requirements under ASC 606. This was definitely the most recommended solution for our situation, given that we are in aerospace and defense. We're running multiple ERPs that include SAP. The initial focus once we went live was, of course, on the general ledger. All of this was brand new to our entire team. Of course, we of course had done some testing, but not at production volumes. So once we're live, getting in there and looking at all of these new postings, what is it posting? Does it make sense? How did it calculate that number and post it to the GL? Did it post to the correct GL account? Did it post to the wrong one? Are we able to consolidate our books, some reports, and realize, okay, this is making sense now, this is what we want to see. But since we were a few months in at that point, we realized that we didn't have good month-to-month reporting because all of our prior periods were still flowing through those older existing value fields.